Hello friends, AIB 16 of 2021 Set B पार्ट 2 आता रेकॉर्डिंग करत आहे हा. ऑलरेडी त्याचा पहिला पार्ट म्हणजे पहिले 25 क्वेश्चन्स परवा दिवशी मी अपलोड केलेत. प्लीज चेक इट आणि लाईक शेअर सबस्क्राईब करा. Question number 26, health and education cess is applicable to all assessees. 27, contractual liability arises where there is intention to create legal relation. 28, which of the following section of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 deal with amount of maintenance? Amount of maintenance section आहे. Amount of maintenance section 23 आहे. एक मिनिट वरती येतो. 23 से हाँ section 23. Which of the following section of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 deals with amount of maintenance? 29. In which of the following case the Supreme Court first of all made an attempt to look into the question regarding the extension of right to life to the right to health and other hygiene condition? Article 21, right to life. त्यामध्ये रुरल लिटिगेशनची ही जी केस आहे एन्व्हायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शनच्या संदर्भात द रुरल लिटिगेशन अँड एंटायटलमेंट केंद्र वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश. MC वैद्याच्या भरपूर केसेस आहेत. In which of the following case Supreme Court first attempt है the rural litigation of entitlement Kendra versus state of Uttar Pradesh. 30. Basel Convention is associated with the one of the following: the control of transboundary movement of hazardous waste and their disposal. 31. Cybercrime is in nature intangible. दिसून येत नाही तो intangible. 32. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 petition in which a decree of restitution of conjugal right has been passed to apply to the court for a decree for divorce by showing that there has been no restitution of conjugal rights as between the parties of marriage for a period of 1 year or upwards after passing of decree. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 petition in which decree of restitution of conjugal rights has been passed to apply the court for a decree for divorce. C as a correct answer does permit any party to do that. 33. The offense under the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 are cognizable and non-bailable. Child Marriage Act 2006 offense काय cognizable आणि non-bailable. 34. The rule of strict liability is based on the decision of Raylan versus Fletcher. Famous case. 35. The rule of last opportunity was laid down in Davis versus Mann. Actually ती MANN असायला पाहिजे. हा जो आहे लास्ट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीचा रूल हा 1882 ची केस आहे ही. English case that contained the first formulation of the last clear chance or last opportunity rule doctrines in negligence law, that is tort law. Last opportunity to save, victim has to save himself from the accidents. Negligence केस येते. 36. In which of the following cases it was held that the right conferred under Section 25 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 supersedes any contracts to the contrary? The fact that the date of decree makes no difference. केसेस 10 तरी करायला पाहिजे ज्या अगदी महत्वाचे आहेत. सेसी अम्माल वर्सेस थायू अम्माल, जरा लक्षात ठेवणं कठीण आहे पण कीवर्ड्स लक्षात ठेवायला पाहिजे. हिंदू अडॉप्शन अँड मेंटेनन्स ऍक्ट मधला तो एक मेंटेनन्सचा क्वेश्चन आहे, तो महत्वाचा आहे, इंडेक्स बेस आहे. ही थोडीशी जरा वेगळी केस आहे. सेसी अम्माल वर्सेस तायलू अम्माल. 37. Any private person may arrest any person who commits offense in his presence or is a proclaimed offender. 38. How long a warrant of arrest shall remain in force? IPC चे प्रश्न आहेत ते. प्रायव्हेट पर्सन मे अरेस्ट एनी पर्सन हा विचारला जाऊ शकतो. परत कमिट्स इन हिज प्रेझेन्स और इज अ प्रोक्लेम ऑफेंडर. प्रोक्लेम इज दवंडी पिटवलेली आहे त्याची की तो ऑफेंडर आहे आणि कुणी त्याला अरेस्ट करू शकतं. 38. How long a warrant of arrest shall remain in force? Until executed or cancelled. It is executed or cancelled. वॉरंट ऑफ अरेस्ट हे एक्झिक्यूट तरी झालं पाहिजे ना, ते कॅन्सल तरी झालं पाहिजे. त्याला काही डेफिनेट पिरियड नाहीये. 39. Rate of additional depreciation will be under Section 32 of Indian Income Tax Act. It is 20%. Additional depreciation चा रेट दिलेला आहे Section 32 of Indian Income Tax, 20%. 40. The objective resolution adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 22, 1947 was drafted by Jawaharlal Nehru. The objective resolution, Jawaharlal Nehru. 41. Right to property was eliminated from the list of fundamental rights during the tenure of Morarji Desai. 42. When the accused states, I will produce the share which I gave received in such and such robbery, which of the following are not admissible with regards the Section 25 Indian Evidence Act? An admission that there was a वाचायला वेळ लागू शकतो. 1, 2 आणि 3. There is admission there was robbery, admission that accused took part in it, and admission that he got part of the property. याच्यापैकी पहिले 3 करेक्ट आहे, चौथा स्टेटमेंट नाही. A statement as to where the property is. 43. What is the period of limitation for expeditious disposal of suit under Specific Relief Act 1963? Period of limitation for expeditious disposal of suit 12 months. 44. A chief judicial magistrate may pass a sentence of imprisonment not exceeding 7 years. CJM ची पास करायची पॉवर, सेंटेन्स ऑफ इम्प्रिझनमेंट नॉट एक्सिडिंग 7 years म्हणजे अप टू 7 years. CJM 7 years. What is meant by procedural ultra-virus? It is non-observance of procedural norms by rule-making authority. आणि बी हे करेक्ट आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये ए आणि बी दोन्ही करेक्ट आहे. It may make the rule ultra-virus due to non-observance of rule-making authority and hence become void. 46. The ground for Ground of error of law apparent on the face of record is connected with which of the writ of mandamus. Error of law apparent in the face of record. 47. Under CPC, find incorrect match. Section 9, आपल्याला इनकरेक्ट मॅच पाहिजे, करेक्ट मॅच नको आहे. सेक्शन 9 वेअर पिक्युलरी ज्युरिडिक्शन ऑफ कोर्ट दिलेला आहे. जर तुमच्याकडे डायरेक्ट असेल तर हे 5, 7, 9, 8 पूर्ण बघेल तेव्हा त्याचं उत्तर सापडेल, जर काहीच नसेल माहिती. 48. Under CPC Code 1908, foreign court means a court situated outside India not established under authority of Government of India. Foreign courts म्हणजे court outside India not established under the authority of Government of India. 49. Misuse of mechanism of PIL. All of the above. हा मी आधीही ऑब्झर्व केलेला आहे की ज्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये ऑल ऑफ द अबव असेल तर ते करेक्ट असतं. 50. As per section 50 of IPC, the word injury denotes any harm whatever legally caused to any person is all of the above. Answer. Thank you. I am stopping this video and will continue tomorrow.